Hello traders, what's up? Good evening, welcome back. This is MJ Crypto, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what altcoins are most likely going to do a couple of days, weeks from now. All right, and I've been saying this for quite some time now that we're already in the alt season because I'd already seen that there's actually an accumulation ongoing here on the weekly time frame on Total 2. Now, for those of you who do not know what Total 2 means, Total 2 right here on Trading View is showing you the crypto total market cap excluding BTC. All right, excluding BTC. Now, this is inclusive of Ethereum. Now, Total 3 is showing you, Total 3 will be showing you the total market cap excluding BTC and ETH, which is Ethereum, right? So we want to analyze Total 2, then possibly check what Total 3 is saying. Now, for those of you who are not in my mentorship, I really don't know why you're actually not there, because there's a lot of gems going on there, right? There's a lot of gems going on there. Information loaded. All right, click on the link in the description to get my mentorship. It's actually on a discount now, and you can actually get this for as low as $25. Used to be $50, but I'm giving a slash rate of 50% off, right? So now back to what we're saying. Now you can see right here, we have our ranges. We have our range rather. We have our key levels plotted, but I'm going to plot this on a line graph so that you see exactly what I'm saying. Now, look at this thing right now. What do you see? What chart pattern do you see? Anybody that gets it correctly, that person is going to have a prize from me. I'm just joking anyway. But what do you see basically, right? You see something like this. Isn't it? And definitely, I know you're actually going to be seeing something like so. And then something like so. Now, what exactly is this? What pattern is this? This is an inverse head and shoulders, and it's actually a typical accumulation what? Accumulation what? Chart pattern. Now, I say all of these things in my mentorship. Get this mentorship course, $25. And ultimately on your way to riches. Aren't you guys surprised why I give out all of this information free to a large extent? Because I make a lot of money from these things on my own portfolio, right? So basically, this is actually an inverse head and shoulders. So what this is telling us, because we're already making higher highs, making higher lows, higher highs, and so on and so forth, meaning price is already in an uptrend. Now, this formation is very delicious because the head and shoulders, typical head and shoulders, this particular shoulder ought to be at this level. It ought to be somewhere around here. It ought to be somewhere around here, right? Like so, this point here was supposed to be here. It's supposed to come down to level with this one, right? But ultimately, we're making higher highs. Now, we're making higher progressions. Now, this is already a confirmation that price wants to start going higher. So we're already in the alt season. Now, what do you think of doing? If I were you, I'll be thinking of coins that I need to start bagging right now. Bagging a lot of coins, because when this actually explodes to the upside, it's going to go way up here. Imagine the volume. We're currently at 566 billion US dollars in total caps on Total 2. Now, imagine we plunge towards the upside and it gets to 972, which is at this level in the coming weeks or months. So now is the right time to actually accumulate as much coins as you can. Coins that are actually at the bottom. Now, I'm going to give you guys a little secret, right? I'll still hinge on this. Get the mentorship course. It's $25 right now. Get that course. It's so important, right? Because there are more to these things, but I'm just going to show you tip of the iceberg here. So let's go back to candles, right? Let's go back to candles. Now we already know, okay, this is what the market is saying. But anyway, if you do love what I'm doing, smash the subscribe button right now. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I post videos such as this. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, families, colleagues at work, and every other person that wishes you well in life. All right. So basically, yeah, I'm gonna delete this right now. I'm gonna take all this bullshit off, and then we focus basically on price action, right? So we already know we have an accumulation going on. So the next level we want to be targeting right now is this level, right? Is this level. So altcoins are going to be pumping, but which alt we're looking at? Now let's go back to total three now. Let's go back to total three. Let's go back to total three right now. Do we see something similar? Let's go back to total three. Okay, this is what total three. Let's put this online so that we actually do know what we're doing. Yeah. So now if we look very closely, right? If we look very closely, we see that we also have typical formation here again. Have another key level right here. Right? You see it? We have another key level somewhere around there. Somewhere right there. We have another key level. Because it price reacted from there twice. You see it here and then here. Reacted. So I'm going to just map out this zone and make this my key level, just this barrel. So now I'm good. Now we have all our key levels plotted. All our key levels plotted, right? So we already know that the next thing price wants to do right now is try and break out from this zone and find support again, right? Want to break out from this zone, find support again. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, sure it is. Sure it is. So that's what price is most likely gonna do. That's what price is most likely gonna do. We've already found support here, so we're trying to break out from this zone now, find support again, and then boom to this side, to this upside, and most likely go as high as this point, because that would be the next level of, let me just plot that out. That'll be the next level, key level. You can see it is boldly written here. By just looking at your chart, you can see it. You can see we have a key level there. So price will definitely come from here, accumulate, and then come back to this level. This is for total three. Now, we're going to be looking at coins that we can, take advantage of. I've been looking at some projects. I want us to look at them together. Dash USDT. I think this is actually a good one. I think this is actually a good one because there was actually a sweep of liquidity somewhere. I gave this as a signal some days ago. I think that was yesterday or today. I can't remember, depending on when this video was posted. Okay, I gave this signal on a Sunday. Yeah, it's signal out on a Sunday. So we'll have a key level here again. We want to look out for areas where there's a lot of consolidation and then a breakout and a retest, right? So we have something like this right now. You can see this price already coming here. And we should be looking at this level, 26% on spot trading. With leverage of 10x, you are getting over 200% in the coming days or weeks. So you just have to be patient, right? And basically, that's just all you need to do. So price is going to come like so, come here, maybe form cup and handle before moving to the upside. So basically, this is what we have, and these are the things that I've been looking out for recently. I think a USDT. I'm not quite sure. But I think a USD. I'm going to check this out very clearly. If we have a possible move to the upside, Shiba that I know of, we've already plunged to the upside. Shiba, I gave that on the group. Shiba USDT, Shiba Inu. I gave that. Oh, let me just put sheep. I think that's the acronym. Yeah, man. Amazing. So you see how we came from nothing, came back, tested. So we're trying to break out from this resistance now. And somewhere, somehow, try to retest this level, right? Want to retest this level. So we're looking at 93% if everything goes as planned, right? So basically, this is just one of the few techniques that you can actually, imbibe into your trading arsenal. So get the mentorship course. Now, one of the benefits of getting this mentorship course is that you have access to signals, my signals. You have access to my signals, my setups. It's more like a family thing. So everyone who has participated, batch A, batch B, batch C is about to come up right now. It's more like a family thing. So I teach you not just because you've paid, but I'm teaching you so you could know what you're doing, become profitable, and teach someone else. So ultimately, we're going to be having a spiral effect, all right? A spiral effect on the knowledge, the information you're actually going to be consuming. Because what's the essence whereby you pay for something, you're not profitable, and you keep complaining, and all of that. But it doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. So it's good you actually do understand what you're doing to a very large extent. Okay, to a very, very, very large extent. So I'm quite pleased. I'm quite excited that everyone is here and progress is being made. Right. So click on the link in the description of this video, get the mentorship course, $25, and then you're going to testify. I don't talk much. You're going to testify yourself. Peace out, guys.